Hello Seahawks, Claudia Hernandez here, your instructor for DMCP 411, Introduction to Team Self-Management. I'd like to introduce you to our course. Some of you are familiar with our Canvas course, but there are a couple of you who are new. So I thought I'd create this video to show you around. So you should land on our home page when you first log into our course. And in our home page you will find a lot of information. If this is your first time enrolled in this class, then you might want to start with the Start Here module, which will introduce you to 2+2 and of course our course. And if you scroll down, there are several tabs that you should frequently view. The first one, of course, is important dates. I will try to keep this up to date and include any upcoming important events and deadlines that you should be aware of, with also some links for you to get more information. Included here is our bulletin as well. This has the last post that was placed in our bulletin, but you may want to click on it to view the entire bulletin, where we keep different flyers and other information of events and things going on our campus and in our community, as well as Monterey Bay, who always invites us to their events. So make sure you take a look at those often. This can include any activities that you can use for your success activity assignment, which we'll talk about later. But make sure that you are visiting the tabs and reading the information within. The next tab is the required activities. This is where you will find, along with the assignment link, the assignments required for the course, which also are the activities that are required for the Cabrillo 2+2 CSUMB program. You'll see that you will need to meet with your counselor. There's links to make an appointment and links to complete your assignments. There will be another video on those later. Here is a success workshop assignment, check-in instructor check-in, and then your peer mentor meetup. We will talk about those in class, and you will find more information within as well. And then there's our financial aid tab, information about financial aid. You can schedule an appointment with Magdalena. So if you need to talk to your financial aid advisor about financial aid or have questions, make sure you schedule that appointment with Magdalena Serrano. And transfer. Many of you are transferring. Actually, all of you are. So make sure you read through the transfer guide and are aware of any upcoming workshops and deadlines. Those are all going to be here in the transfer tab. Make sure you visit your transfer pathway so that you are always aware of what you need to do to complete the required courses and general education for your major. Every card will have a link to your pathway homepage, along with information about your pathway, about the degree for transfer, about planning your courses with links to program maps and your general education pattern, as well as links to CSUMB and information about your major at Monterey and information about transfer. Lots of transfer resources are available to you, so make sure you take the time to click through these tabs and obtain the information within. Let's go back home. Okay, and last but not least, this is a new tab. I am going to keep these up to date as we go along throughout the semester, so that every week you'll know what tasks to complete and what you need to do and where you need to go for that week. This is our very first week. We are starting before the semester begins. This is just to get you going and get you started off on the right foot and not have to deal with beginning new classes and learning all this information as well. So it'll all be here for you to take a look at on your own time. Then once the semester gets going, I'll make sure that every week I'll let you know what you need to do for that week. And we will be meeting online. You can find our Zoom link here, and you'll also find it in the calendar. It was also emailed to you. So you will find information in multiple places. Hopefully this keeps us organized and not scrambling to look for things. So hopefully this helps. I will be creating another video regarding our assignments, and we will also be meeting on Zoom on our next class on January 28th. So hopefully this was helpful. I'll be seeing you again soon. Thank you.